Hey guys, so I wanted to do a video that I'm a little late for, and that is my favorite watermelon products. And I wasn't going to do this video because National Watermelon Day was August 3rd, and it's obviously not August 3rd, but by the time I found out about it, it was too late for me to film. So I wanted to film today and tell you about my favorite products. Watermelon is something honestly that I obsess over. And then Jeffree Star came out with his Morphe artistry palette reveal, and his hair was totally giving me watermelon vibes, and the eye look, the green and the pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this video anyway. And I'm sick. I have bronchitis, so all I did was throw a little eyeshadow on my crease, some highlighter on, and that's it. So I'm wearing this Temptress shade, which is this brown here, in the Butter London palette. I don't even know the name of this palette. Natural Goddess. It came in BoxyCharm. I'm wearing that. And then the highlighter that I'm wearing is Lavender Snow from Jeffree Star. I actually just got it, so I wanted to throw it on. So anyway, let's start with the watermelon. So the first product that I have is actually this really cute hair. I use it when I'm getting ready, like putting on makeup or face mask and stuff. It's got a little bow. It's got watermelons on it. Super cute. I had to have it as soon as I saw it. One product that I love and have repurchased, I've gone through 2 travel sizes, most of a full size, and then I have this full size as well. And that's the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. I absolutely adore this stuff. It comes out really easy. I actually have one of those little sliding squeeze things on mine, and I'm like down to this much left on the other one, and this is my backup that I got in Ipsy. Amazing deal, the add-ons with Ipsy. Speaking of which, if you want to sign up, I'll leave my link down below, and we both get I think it's a free product, or we both would earn extra points, which you can then cash in for a free product. So I really like that. Now, sticking with the moisturizer theme, I really love this Glow Recipe moisturizer, and it's called Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And these just smell so good. I don't know why I unscrewed that. And it's just got a little pump. And this, I actually got a sample of this at Sephora and absolutely love this. This one's really nice, and they have another one that's a thicker consistency. I think it's a sleeping mask that's watermelon from Glow Recipe. Also super amazing. I don't have the sleeping mask, sadly. Could not afford it, but I did find that Ulta has their own watermelon sleeping mask. So this is what I've been using. This was normally $12, but I got it for $8. I think it was $8. It might have been less than $8. Basically, they were having a really good sale, and I wanted to grab this to see if it's a dupe. And so far, I've really liked the way it feels on my skin, and it's really awesome. The other thing that I picked up same day as that is the Ulta Beauty Watermelon Facial Mist. This is, I think, not a limited edition product, but they had these on sale for $5, so I picked up two, of course, because I absolutely love this stuff. Like, it smells so good. It even tastes good. Like, I've accidentally gotten it in my mouth and it tastes just like watermelon. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy. But it's got watermelon extract and aloe, refreshes and revives skin. Really love that. I have two lip products. I've got the chapstick Sweet Watermelon. It's not wanting to focus on it here. It's part of the I Love Summer collection. That one's really nice. And then I have the Carmex Comfort Care Watermelon Blast lip balm. And this one I feel is more moisturizing than this one, but I love them both, so I carry them both with me. Now, there are some watermelon products that I love that I don't have here because I've either ran out or have not purchased. And the one that I have not purchased is one I was looking for. It was hitting TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I'd been watching for it for a while, and that's the Laneige lip mask, and that is watermelon as well. They have a watermelon one, and that lip mask is amazing. Like, if you have a problem with a lot of dry lips or flaking, like my lips peel sometimes and I have a bad habit of picking at that, that mask, it's just amazing. The only thing that could beat that would be if what is it? The Agave Lip Mask by Bite. If they had a watermelon one, that is the only thing that could beat that lip mask. And it is just amazing. And then I did forget one product that I have sitting here. And that is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Soothing Watermelon and Aloe Cooling Gel Mask. Basically, this goes on, and I believe you peel this off. I've had both. There is one that peels, and there's one that you have to wipe off. And one more thing. I have two other products that I like from Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is like really becoming one of my favorites in Sephora, and I want to get my hands on that pineapple one and try it, but my stores have not gotten it. But I have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I actually ended up with a few of these. And like I said, I've had the sample of this, so I really like it, but I thought that packaging was fucking adorable. And then this one here, Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, also from Glow Recipe. I will say I did the Ulta version of the jelly sheet mask, and it smelled amazing. It felt nice, but man, like it didn't want to stay on your face. It like tried to slide down my face, and like it just ripped. Like every time I touched it, it was ripping. So it ended up being like where I had to peel it off in pieces because it just fell apart. Not worth $6 at all. Thankfully, because of the coupon, I got it for $3. But I would avoid that mask and go with the good one. I'm so in love with watermelon. I may actually just stick this one on my face after this video. But that is all I've got to say right now. Watermelon is in season. I mean, MAC has a Fix Plus spray right now in watermelon. I so want it. I'm trying to get my hands on it. Haven't yet. But these are the products that I'm loving right now. That's watermelon. Let me know down below of any watermelon products that you're falling in love with, and or your opinions on these products. I'll see you next video. Bye.